Q1. Who has been appointed as the new Lokayukta of Maharashtra? A. B.S. Koshari. B. V.M. Kanade. C. M.L. Tahalyani. D. U.T. Khamta. E. P.T. Solanki. Correct answer. B. V.M. Kanade. Notes. Governor B.S. Koshari approved the appointment of retired Bombay High Court Judge Justice V.M. Kanade as the new Lokayukta of Maharashtra, on the advice of the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. Maharashtra was without a full-time Lokayukta for almost a year. The previous Lokayukta, Reed, Justice M.L. Tahalyani, had completed his tenure in August 2020. Q2. Which former governor of RBI has been recently conferred with the inaugural Professor Rao Centenary Gold Medal? A. Raghuram Rajan. B. Dr. Y.V. Reddy. C. C. Rangarajan. D. Shyamla Gopinathan. E. Bimal Jalan. Correct answer. C. C. Rangarajan. Notes. Renowned economist Jagdish Bhagwati and C. Rangarajan have been conferred with the inaugural Professor Rao Centenary Gold Medal, CGM. Bhagwati is Professor of Economics, Law and International Relations at Columbia University, while C. Rangarajan is the former chairman of the Economic Advisory Council of the Prime Minister and former Governor of the Reserve Bank of India. Q3. Indian men's hockey team defeated _ to win their first ever Olympic medal in 41 years. A. Germany. B. Australia. C. Belgium. D. Pakistan. E. Netherlands. Correct answer. A. Germany. Notes. Indian men's hockey team defeated Germany to win their first ever Olympic medal in 41 years. India wins the bronze medal in men's hockey after beating Germany 5-4 at Tokyo Olympics. Before this podium finish for bronze, India last climbed up the Olympic podium in 1980, when it won its 8th gold at the Games. Q4. Which of the following state has launched the first of its kind earthquake early warning mobile application, named Bhookamp Alert? A. Himachal Pradesh. B. Uttarakhand. C. Punjab. D. Rajasthan. E. Assam. Correct answer. B. Uttarakhand. Notes. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami has launched the first of its kind earthquake early warning mobile application, named Uttarakhand Bhookamp Alert. The app has been developed by IIT Roorkee, in association with Uttarakhand State Disaster Management Authority, USADMA. Q5. Who has stepped down as the non-executive director and non-executive chairman of the Vodafone Idea, Now Vi, board? A. Vimal Kumar. B. Himanshu Kapania. C. Rohit Verma. D. Santosh Singh. E. Kumar Mangalam Bidala. Correct answer. E. Kumar Mangalam Bidala. Notes. Aditya Bidala Group Chairman Kumar Mangalam Bidala has stepped down as the non-executive director and non-executive chairman of the Vodafone Idea, Now Vi, board. The Vi board of directors have unanimously elected Himanshu Kapania, currently a non-executive director, as the non-executive chairman with effect. Q6. Name the Padma Shri awardee Dogri writer and poet who passed away recently. A. Kali Anand Gondar. B. Padma Sachdev. C. Keshav Dutt. D. Veerbhadra Singh. E. P.K. Warrior. Correct answer. B. Padma Sachdev. Notes. Noted author and Padma Shri awardee Padma Sachdev, the first modern woman poet of Dogri language. Q7. Indian Naval Ship _ became the first Indian Navy ship to call at the heritage coastal port of Gopalpur in Odisha. A. Arihant. B. Tabar. C. Talwar. D. Viraat. E. Khanjar. Correct answer. E. Khanjar. Notes. Indian naval ship Khanjar becomes the first Indian Navy ship to call at the heritage coastal port of Gopalpur in Odisha. The two-day visit was organized as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav as well as Swarnim Vijay Varsh celebrations to commemorate the 75th anniversary of independence and 50th anniversary of the 1971 war. The visit of the ship was aimed at enhancing ties and spreading awareness. Q8. Supreme Court of India held that the Governor of State can pardon prisoners, including in the death sentence cases. Governor's power to pardon overrides a provision given under section _ of the Code of Criminal Procedure. A. 435A. B. 434A. C. 433A. D. 431A. E. 432A. Correct answer. C. 433A. Notes. Court also said that the governor's power to pardon overrides a provision given under section 433A of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Q9. Border Roads Organization (BRO) has constructed and blacktopped the highest road in the world at _ in eastern Ladakh. A. Khardungla Pass. B. Umlingla Pass. C. Changla Pass. D. Baralachala Pass. E. Taglangla Pass. Correct answer. B. Umlingla Pass. Notes. Border Roads Organization (BRO) has constructed and blacktopped the highest road in the world at Umlingla Pass in eastern Ladakh. The highest motorable road in the world is situated at an altitude of 19,300 feet. Q10. Which of the following state has not started the POCSO court scheme till now? A. Kerala. B. Rajasthan. C. West Bengal. D. Jharkhand. E. Sikkim. Correct answer. C. West Bengal. Notes. The Union Cabinet has approved the continuation of 1023 fast-track special courts, including 389 exclusive POCSO courts, as a centrally sponsored scheme for another 2 years. Union Minister Anurag Thakur said out of 31 states and union territories, 28 have started the scheme. West Bengal is one of the states which has not started the scheme. Q11. Name the author of the book Balakot Airstrike, How India Avenged Pulwama. A. Manan Bhatt. B. Ravi Ranjan. C. Gokul Ram. D. Sikandar Singh. E. Saroj Karma. Correct answer. A. Manan Bhatt. Notes. A new book titled Balakot Airstrike, How India Avenged Pulwama, published by Garuda Prakashan, is written by Navy veteran Manan Bhatt. Q12. Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has imposed a monetary penalty of _ on Bengaluru-based Hewlett-Packard Financial Services, India, Private Limited. A. 1 lakh rupees. B. 2 lakh rupees. C. 3 lakh rupees. D. 6 lakh rupees. E. 5 lakh rupees. Correct answer. D. 6 lakh rupees. Notes. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, has imposed a monetary penalty of 6 lakh rupees on Bengaluru-based Hewlett-Packard Financial Services, India, Private Limited. Q13. How many athletes represented India at Tokyo Olympics 2020? A. 110 athletes. B. 120 athletes. C. 130 athletes. D. 140 athletes. E. 150 athletes. Correct answer. B. 120 athletes. Notes. This year, India has been represented by a 228-strong contingent that includes 120 athletes at the Tokyo Olympics. Q14. The Union Cabinet has approved the continuation of 1023 fast-track special courts, including 389 exclusive POCSO courts up to _ A. 2021, B. 2022, C. 2023, D. 2024, E. 2025. Correct answer. C. 2023. Notes. The Union Cabinet has approved the continuation of 1023 fast-track special courts, including 389 exclusive POCSO courts, as a centrally sponsored scheme for another 2 years. The scheme would continue from April 1, 2021 to March 31, 2023, with an outlay of 1,572.86 crore, 971.70 crore rupees as central share and 601.16 crore as state share. Q15. World Bank has approved a _million projects in India for a long-term dam safety program and improving the safety and performance of existing dams. A. $650 million. B. $550 million. C. $450 million. D. $350 million. E. $250 million. Correct answer. E. $250 million. Notes. The World Bank has approved a $250 million project in India for a long-term dam safety program and improving the safety and performance of existing dams across various states of India.